Hey friends, if you encounter Google Chrome error ERR quick protocol error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable extensions on Chrome. So open Chrome, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and then select manage extensions. First try turning off the extensions which are problematic and then remove them. The next one is to change the system date and time. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane. Now you will have to make sure that all these three boxes are checked and finally click on sync now. The next one is to disable proxy on your computer. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open the Internet Properties window. Go to the Connections tab. Uh, Click on this button associated with LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. Click on OK and then on OK once again. The last solution is to reset the network. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Network Settings. Now, you'll have to click on Network Reset and finally click on Reset Now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.